At German Auto Center, we've been supporting Austin's Audi community since the mid-1970s. Whether you have a check engine light, an ABS light, or that Audi just isn't running the way it used to, stop by German Auto Center and we'll get you back on the road. Here in Austin, you should service your Audi at least once a year, or every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. The environment here in Texas is a little hotter than it is in Germany. We see plastic components and rubber components breaking down a little faster. So visit German Auto Center, stop by, we'll take a look at your Audi and get you back on the road.